In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tag color on Asana. Whether you're trying to organize your workflow better, or simply want a more visually appealing interface, changing tag colors can make your project management more effective and pleasant. So let's dive right in and get started with this quick and simple tutorial. First, make sure you navigate to the Asana website and log into your account. If you haven't already, head over to Asana's main page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email address. This is your primary means of access to your account, so ensure it's typed in correctly. After entering your email, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Go ahead and click on that. Next, it's time to enter your password. This step ensures that your projects and data remain secure, so it's important to keep this information private. Once you've entered your password, find the Login button and click it to access your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged in and on the homepage, the next step is to open the specific project where you want to change the tag color. Navigate your cursor to the project list and select the project you'd like to work on. Once you've chosen your project, locate a task that contains the tag you want to modify. You can usually find tags in the task's details section. Click on the tag, which will open a new window displaying all tasks associated with it. In this new window, click on the tag itself. This action allows you to begin editing its properties. Here you should see an action drop-down menu, typically located on the screen's upper right or near the tag details. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal additional options. Look for the option labeled Set Color and click on it. At this point, a color palette will appear, providing a range of hues for you to choose from. Take a moment to consider which color best fits the tag's role or the organization of your project. Once you've made your decision, simply select your desired color. As soon as you click on your chosen color, the tag's appearance in Asana will update automatically. You'll notice the change immediately across all tasks associated with the tag, making it easier to visually differentiate tags within your projects. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the tag color on Asana. This simple customization can make navigating your tasks more intuitive and your workspace more visually engaging. Remember, you can repeat this process whenever you need to refresh or reorganize your projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.